How might sinusitis impact sleep? Sinusitis can greatly affect sleep by causing discomfort and breathing difficulties. Blocked nasal passages and swelling make it hard to breathe normally through the nose, often leading to mouth breathing, which can result in snoring or a dry, irritated throat. Postnasal drip, another common issue, may cause persistent coughing or throat irritation, making it harder to stay asleep. The pressure and pain in the face can also make finding a comfortable sleeping position challenging. Sinusitis. We know how to treat it.